In this video guide, I will instruct you about the danger of pop-ups titled as youjustwonprize.com. These pop-ups are extremely deceptive, tricky, and of course very annoying. Their mission is to hijack your browser with the functionality of intrusive web push notifications. These ads that will be displayed by youjustwonprize.com pop-ups will try to attack your computer, and their danger is that you may eventually end up seeing your computer to be full of other malicious websites that may essentially damage your entire computer. For instance, you may end up seeing your system to be infected with fake Adobe Flash Player update alerts, with various pop-ups promoting fake system optimization programs and other malicious websites. So we recommend you to be very careful not to interact with these pop-ups youjustwonprize.com, because actually there is no any prize at all that would be guaranteed by these fake alerts. If you have mistakenly clicked on that Allow button, you need to access your browser menu, click on Settings, then select Site Settings and Notifications. Now you will need to find that suspicious website in this Allow section and remove it from this website. Finally, I recommend investigation of your Mac with Combo Cleaner, which is a powerful antivirus specifically for Mac. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. So download the application, install it, and start scanning the software. Combo Cleaner will be provided in the trial version initially. However, it has some free features too: Disks Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates Finder. Also, you need to click on Start Combo Scan to begin the research of your Mac. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and in order to review the results, go to the Antivirus section and click on this direct button called Review Results. So you will see the detailed list of all threads that were found during the scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. In order to find where this particular thread is located, go to this circle that says Show in Finder, and then you'll be able to find this particular malicious item in the Finder and get rid of it by right-clicking on it. So let's do it once again. Let's say we want to remove this malicious DMG file. So click on this button and then you will see it in Finder, and you may right-click on it and select Move to Trash. So this is the manual way to get rid of malware from your Mac for free. Combo Cleaner has performed free scanning, and now you may remove each particular malicious item for free at no cost. And or you may additionally get rid of all this malware with the premium version of Combo Cleaner Antivirus.